Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today, and thank you for everyone who is returning. It's been quite a few days here. My dad is in the hospital. He has pretty severe COPD and is not breathing very well. I'm taking some self-care time this morning to paint and to relax, and then we're gonna go see him this afternoon. And I paint in the morning, hence why I look like heck and greasy hair, but you know what? It works perfect because I'll get covered in paint and then I'll go shower and then I'll go see my dad and my mom and the rest of my family that'll be there. So yes, if you're watching and you think, oh my God, she looks horrible, it's because I do. I literally just woke up, just made some coffee, mixed up a little bit of paints. I am doing another pearl pour today, and I am doing a starburst technique. I've done a few in the past, absolutely love them. So, pearl paints on top of a black base. I am using my, I always want to call them cross stitch hoops, because that's what I always called them as a kid, but it's an embroidery hoop. Gonna have this in the center, and we're gonna swipe out, and it's gonna look fabulous. I'm so excited. All right, so let's get painting. Okay, and here we are. So I am using my Winsor & Newton canvases again. I really love these canvases. They are super, super light. I am painting on a 20 by 20 tonight. I have covered my edges with black so that when the pearl paints run down the sides, I will get nice coverage and have some beautiful side art. So just tilting out my canvas, getting it out to all of those corners, and then torching for air bubbles. And I love watching black paint while I'm popping air bubbles. It's like visual ASMR. So I will have all of the paints listed down in the description box. It's basically just my Mont Lamp Black, Pearl Blue, Pearl Green, Pearl Red, and Pearl Violet. And the pearl paints are all by Amsterdam. And so I'm just laying down ribbons of each of the colors individually, getting all of the color into all of the areas of the paint. I have sped this part up ×2, trying not to bore you with this technique. It's a little bit different than using my cake decorator. If you are enjoying what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And as you can see, I put my embroidery hoop down, and then I remember I want to tilt these colors out so that they go down across all of the 4 sides. I wanted some more coverage. Plus I also knew that if I just let it dry how it was, even after swiping, I would get cracks. So I wanted to spread out those pearl paints before putting my embroidery hoop down. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then what I do is I take individual squares of toilet paper and I fold them in half. As you can see there, it's one piece folded in half, and I gently swipe out.
Know you're
And next what I do is I take another square of toilet paper and I fold it into quarters instead of in half, and then just fill in the spaces, and it adds in some really amazing depth and movement, especially with these pearl paints. This piece turns out absolutely fabulous. I have wet results as well as dried results at the end, so make sure you stay tuned to see the beautiful, beautiful shimmer of these colored pearl paints. And here are the wet results. So you can still see a lot of the white, but man, can you ever see those colors coming through there already? Even though it's still very, very wet at this point. Like I said, it's right after I have finished. So there's the center. I love how it turned out. And just, I could just watch the shimmer of these colors. The blue is super bright and vibrant, where the rest of the colors, the other three, are kind of soft, and I really, really like the contrast for sure. And here's a couple of bloopers. There we go. Couldn't figure out why it felt so dark in here. Turn your overhead lights on, Amy. Don't trip over your own feet. And here we are, all dry. My overhead lights are off and my flash is on, just to give you a little bit of an idea. I did get a little bit of cracking, like you can see there, but I think it kind of adds to the effect of this piece. Love, love, love how this piece dried. Like I said, the blue is really vibrant. The other colors are fairly soft, but so beautiful on top of the black. I would love to hear what you think of this piece. Is this something you might try? If so, I would love to hear that. And, you know, any tips, any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.